What's up guys, welcome back. This is Prabhashankar Khare and I welcome you all to my channel, the PS Digitals. In our last video, we have discussed about the features which is provided by Wix platform. So if you haven't watched that video, then please go and watch it. We have discussed some amazing features over there which is provided by Wix. I have mentioned link in description below, or you can also find out that in I button here. In this video, we are going to discuss about the pricing of Wix. Okay, I know that I have told you that Wix is a free platform. It is free, but after some time you need to spend some money. And to be honest, without spending any single amount, you can't grow your business. Okay, so if I ask you one thing, that can you spend 1,000 rupees for complete 1 year to grow your business? Will it be fine for you? Then I must tell you that your answer might be yes. And in this video, I am going to tell you that how you can do that. Wix starting price is less than 1,000 rupees a year, which I think that you can easily afford it. Okay. So to share the pricing of Wix platform, I need to share my screen with you. Okay. So to open up Wix, just go to Google and as usual type wix.com here. And as you can see that pricing option is here. Okay, so just click on pricing. And as you can see that they are having plans in two categories. One is website plan and second one is business and e-commerce plan. And under website plan, you can see that the starting price of the plan is 80 rupees a month. Okay, in which you will get a custom domain, you will get free SSL certification with bandwidth of 1 GB. If you don't know what bandwidth is, then under this you can easily store more media, and you add, the more media you add to your website, the more bandwidth it requires to keep the data downloading smoothly. This is what bandwidth is. Okay, and storage space will be 500 MB and you will get 24/7 customer care. And if I calculate 80 rupees for 12 months, then it will be 960 rupees. Okay, it will be less than 1,000 rupees for one complete year, guys. Okay, if you build annually, then you just need to pay 960 rupees to Wix to to make your website more professional. Okay, and if you are having some budget, like if I count 1,000 rupees for complete 1 year, then it is less than 100 rupees. Okay, as you can see that it is 80 rupees for complete 1 month to make your website more professional. Okay, so I think that you can easily spend this amount for your business. And if you can't spend 1,000 rupees for your business, then I just need to tell you one thing, that please stop doing business. Okay, because in your business, if you can't spend this much amount, then you can't run your business. Okay, and there are some more plans also under Wix website plan. The second one is combo, and then unlimited plan is there, and then VIP. The combo plan starts from 125 rupees for 1 month, and if I calculate this also, then 125 into 12 will be 1,500 rupees for 1 year. And if I calculate for unlimited, then it will be like 185 into 12 will be 2,200 approx. Okay, and if I count for VIP plan, then it will be less than 4,000 rupees for 1 year. So if you can spend if you can spend at least 4,000 rupees, then you will get the VIP plan of Wix. Okay, in which you will get custom domain, free domain for 1 year. Then you can easily remove Wix ads from your website. The bandwidth will be unlimited, 35 GB of storage space. Video hours will be 5 hours. You will also get site booster app and visitor analytics app. Okay, through which you can easily see the insights and stats about your website. Okay, and you can easily see where your visitors come from and in which pages they are spending more time. Okay, and in which page you are getting more traffic, so you can easily optimize other pages according to that page. Okay, in which you are getting more traffic. and you will also get professional logo and social media logo files, and for customer care you will get priority customer care support if you spend a minimum of 4,000 rupees for complete 1 year in your business. Okay, and the second plan is business and e-commerce plan. This is especially for those who are planning to launch an e-commerce store. Okay, so under this there are basically three plans: business basic, business unlimited, and business VIP. Business basic is basically 225 rupees a month. If I calculate, then 225 into 12. Just wait for a moment. Before you end up this video, I really want you to go and download the checklist which I have made especially for you. And on the checklist, I have mentioned how to create a beautiful and stunning website step by step. So go click on the link given in description below and download your checklist now. Then around 2700 rupees for 1 year. And if I calculate 300, then it will be around 12, 3, 36 and 36. Let me calculate. Okay, yeah, 3600, and for 500 it will be 6000 rupees for 1 year. Okay, so under this you will get the online payment option. You can easily accept online payments in any of these plans. You can easily get plans and recurring payment option, customer account, custom domain, free domain for 1 year. Okay, unlimited bandwidth in all of this plan. Storage space will be 20, 35 and 50 GB, and video hours will be 5 hours in business basic, 10 hours in unlimited and means business unlimited, and unlimited video hours in business VIP plan. You will also get some additional features. If you want to see some more features, then you need to click show all features. Okay, and you will get all of these features in this business and e-commerce plan. Okay, if you are planning to launch an e-commerce store, or if you are planning to accept some online payments in your website, then you need to go to business and e-commerce plan. Okay, because under website category plan you are not having any option to accept online payment, but under business and e-commerce plan you are going to have that secure online payment option. So my suggestion is, if you are having at least 2500 rupees for your business to spend, then please go for business basic plan and go for that 2700 rupees for 1 year. Okay, which is what we have calculated, 225 into 12. Okay, 2700 rupees you need to spend to get the complete professional website in which you can accept online payment, you can accept the recurring payments also. Okay, so my suggestion is that you need to go with business basic. At least you need to go with business basic plan. Just wait for a moment. Before you end up this video, I really want you to go and download the checklist which I have made especially for you. And on the checklist, I have mentioned how to create a beautiful and stunning website step by step. So go click on the link given in description below and download your checklist now. If you need to see this, then you just need to go to wix.com and go to this pricing option. I will mention this link in the description below also. Okay, so no need to worry about, just go to the description below and you can easily go to this page. Okay, so this is all the pricing is all about, guys. So I hope that you have found this video valuable, and I hope that you will go and you will spend some money into your business. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. If you have found this valuable, then please like it, comment down below if you have any questions or thoughts, and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get further notifications of the videos which I am going to post. So thank you guys, and we will meet on the next video. Till then, bye bye.